He's like, but I don't want it.
See? Drop it.
Right, just let him go.
Brooke's trying to tell him, dude, drop it. Just let it go. Didn't you hear her?
See?
Oh, that's hilarious.
Gracie, don't give up your position. Women are strong. Let's go.
Zeke has a better one.
Dad, give Gracie the blow.
Very impressive, guys. Good job.